Hello and welcome to Brainy Gardener. Today, it is all about how to grow and care for Earth Star plant. This plant gets its name from its eye-catching star-shaped leaves. The leaves are long and narrow, growing in a rosette pattern. It blooms with small white flowers. It is a popular choice for home gardens, bringing much-needed variety with a different look. The Earth Star plant requires very little care, making it ideal for gardeners more prone to neglect than others. Having said that, some care is still required to ensure the best possible growth. Here's what you need to know. Earth Star loves bright, indirect light, but can also tolerate low light levels. Less light means less vibrant growth with duller, more muted colors, whereas full sunlight results in washed-out, bleached foliage. This plant is mainly used as an indoor container plant or as a feature in rock gardens. These plants prefer moist but not soggy soil and should be watered regularly. However, don't let the water sit in the pot for too long, as this plant doesn't like being waterlogged. This is a tropical plant that requires a warm climate to grow. The ideal temperature for cultivation is between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Although it's mildly drought tolerant, it's best not to put that to the test. Humidity levels are one of the most important factors for Earth Star plant grown indoors. Not only does it prevent the plant from drying out, but also helps in growth and development. When growing indoors, maintain humidity levels around 70%. Keeping the plant near a water source is another way to achieve higher humidity levels. Overfeeding is not harmful to Earth Star, however. You should only use half of the suggested dose once a month. In the fall and winter, feeding should be done every other month. Propagation of the Earth Star plant is easy. Just wait for the offsets to grow to the appropriate size before planting. The best chance of successful propagation is in the summer, when the pup has grown to half the size of its parent. After you've removed the pup from the parent, plant it in a bed of moist soil and cover the entire pot with a layer of plastic to trap all the humidity inside. Wait for a month for the first signs of growth to show. You can also propagate by seeds, but the chance of germination is low and it takes longer to reach its mature size. The best strategy is to use the offsets. When potting Earth Star, be sure to use a slightly larger pot than you think you need. These plants are aggressive growers and will quickly outgrow a small pot. Make sure that you use a well-draining potting mix that retains some moisture. Repotting is generally required when the plant has outgrown its current pot or when the soil becomes dry and compacted. When repotting, pick a pot one size larger than the current pot. Fill it up with the potting mix and gently ease down the root ball into its new home. Earth Star plant is non-toxic to humans and animals. This houseplant is typically pest-free. In rare circumstances, it may be home to mealybugs or scale insects. These pests can cause significant damage to the plant and should be promptly treated if detected.